Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss marketing management philosophies. This is a very important part in marketing management chapter. There are 5 philosophies in marketing management which is followed by the companies. We have production concept, then product concept, selling concept, marketing concept and societal marketing concept. So these are the 5 philosophies or concept which is being followed by the companies. So first one is production concept. The focus of production concept is large scale production that will reduce the cost of production. See, some companies, they believe that they should produce on a large scale which will reduce their cost, and if the cost will be reduced, they'll be able to sell the product at reasonable price to the customers. And what the customer want? They want products at reasonable price, or they prefer cheaper products. Okay, they don't want to pay much, so customer wants products at reasonable price. So companies, they focus on production, so they produce on large scale and this will reduce the cost. So the main focus is large scale production and decrease in cost. And what does this mean? This means the focus is on affordability and availability. Means the companies are making the products available in the market because they are producing at a large scale, and the benefit of large scale production is decrease in cost, which means affordability. Means products available at reasonable cost, the cheaper products are available in the market. So this is production concept. Second is product concept. Now there are companies which believe that the quality of the product matters a lot. There are few companies which product a very good quality product. They add so many features in the product, and the product is having such a nice quality, good quality, that the products are easily acceptable by the customer. The customer who is having need, who wants a very good quality product, they prefer their products. Okay, so that is product concept. Means they focus on good quality and added features. That means here the focus is on the quality of the product. The quality of the product is main feature. The next one is selling concept. Again, from the name you can see the focus is on to sell using intensive promotional techniques. That means here the company focuses on selling whatever product they have manufactured. See, they say sell what you have produced, or what you have. Okay, sell what you have. That means this is the main focus, or the main sentence, or the main idea they are having is sell what you have. Whatever you have produced, you have to sell it. Now how you will sell? You will convince the customer, you will persuade the customers, you will show by hook or crook, you have to just sell it. You have to generate revenue, you have to get the cash, and you have to sell your product. So whatever technique you want, you have to just use that technique, that intensive promotional technique, and you have to just sell your product. So here the focus is on aggressive selling technique. Okay, so the company is using aggressive selling techniques like buy one get one, or 10% discount, or whatever it is, whatever promotional techniques they are using, they are just trying to sell what they have produced. Now the next is marketing concept. Here the focus is on customer satisfaction. Now this line will change. Here I have written sell what you have. Here they say you have to sell the product which is needed by the customer. Okay, sell what customer need. Here is sell what customer need. That means since their focus is customer satisfaction, so what they will do? They will first try to find out the need of the customer. What is the need of the customer? What the customer wants? Okay, suppose there is a refrigerator. Earlier we have a refrigerator where there was only one compartment. Now we have separate compartment for that. Freezer is different, and then we have a second compartment where you can store your food items and all. Then we saw that there is a change in the refrigerator. Now we have a two-door refrigerator opening like a wardrobe, and then you can convert the freezer into fridge. That multiple option they are giving. What is this? It is the change in the product. Or why they are doing this? For customer satisfaction. They have first seen that, they have first done the market research, that what is the need of the customer, what changes the customer wants in the existing product, or what new product can be launched to satisfy the need of the customer. So they try to know the demands, the want of the customer, the need of the customer. Then they develop the product according to their need. Okay, and then that is sold in the market, and then the customer gets satisfaction. Okay, because it is not that the product which is manufactured, it is sold. It is the product is manufactured on the basis of the need of the customer. So here it is sell what you have, and here it is not sell what you have, it is sell what customer need. So according to the need you are manufacturing, and then you are selling the product, so you will have customer satisfaction. Now the last one is societal marketing concept. Here customer satisfaction is there. With customer satisfaction you have to think about the society also. Okay, some people, they want drugs. So you cannot supply drugs because you are giving customer satisfaction. This is the want, this is the need of the customer. But that is having negative impact, that is having a negative effect on the customer, on the society. So, and that is illegal. You cannot sell that. So with customer satisfaction, you have to think about the society also. You have to, so that is why customer satisfaction within ethical and ecological boundaries of our society. You cannot say that I am manufacturing this hazardous product because this is demanded by the customer. If because of your production the environment is being affected, you have to think before manufacturing it. Okay, so this is societal marketing. That means customer satisfaction with taking into consideration the society as well. Okay, so these are the 5 philosophies of management, marketing management, which the companies consider. The companies which focus on large scale production, reduced cost, they are following this production concept. The company which is manufacturing very good quality product, so they are focusing on this, that the quality matters a lot. Some companies, they are just producing and convincing the customer, they are using promotional techniques and selling the product to the customers, just selling whatever they have produced. That is selling concept. Then if the company is thinking about the customer satisfaction, they are first doing the research, knowing the needs of the customer, accordingly producing the product and then selling what the customer wants. That is marketing concept. And if with customer satisfaction you are thinking about the society at large, you are thinking about the betterment of the environment, the ecological condition you are thinking about, that is societal marketing. So these are the 5 marketing management philosophies. Thank you.